Are you doing your trick or treats? Do it again. Say spooky.
A spider.
I know. Show me spooky again.
Spooky.
One more time.
Spooky.
Logan, come here. Let's get Logan to do it. Say Kuchiseki, buddy. Can you do spooky for Daddy?
Spooky. Sing.
One more time. One more time.
Spooky. 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 See.
Tell Mackenzie to do spookies. Can you say it?
Trick or treat.
There you go. And what do you say, Kens?
Trick or treat.